What's up, guys? Back with the Nokia Simplex Plus. Do some digging, try out here in this field. See what we can do. Check it out, guys. Wow, cool is that? Clean it up and see what it says at home. Wow. Beautiful. Simplex sniffs it out. So guys, so we had just come out of the ground. Pretty cool buckle. American Indian youth, running strong, 40 years. What in the world? It doesn't look like it's been even in the ground too long. I don't know. Looks damn near new. Cool. Alright guys, check it out. I think I found a really old, this is probably World War I toy. Solid lead battleship. Pretty sure that's what it is. Super old. What's up, guys? We got a small cap gun barrel in the hole. Cool. Cool. The hole here, guys. Cool lid. To some creamer for your face. What's up, guys? I got a bullet in the hole. Pretty cool. It's like a part of a makeup kit or something. This has got a little modern corner there. What's up, guys? This has a hole. This is pretty old, I'm thinking. It's like a bowl or a cup or something. What's up, guys? I got something really cool old car coming out. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's still in pretty good shape. What kind of car do you think that is? So here's some of the stuff we found. These cool, like part of a makeup kit, these coins. This old, like, I want to say this is like some kind of old bracelet or something really old. It's cool. This belt buckle is very interesting because of the story on it. Olympic gold medalist, 1964, Tokyo, Japan. Okay. Very interesting. Lakota. That's really cool. That's cool. This is a cool card. This old battleship. Lead. That's definitely an old cream. Alright guys, thanks for digging with me, and I'll see you guys next time.